1 second. Okay. Yes. Found the found the mistake.
Yes, sir.
Tell me where is the mistake.
Sir, in 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 2 in there, 5 raised to 2, isn't it supposed to be 25?
In which line you are talking about?
Third line. 81 into 25, right, sir?
In this line?
Yes,
3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power
2.
2. Then
Equals 81 into 25. But there it is 81 into 10.
what's 81? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the mistake. 25. Right?
Yes, sir.
5 to the power 2 is 25. Okay. Hello, Mohammed Ali. How are you?
Hi, sir.
V81. No. Will be equal to 81 into 5 into 5 upon 2 raised to the power 6. Okay. If you multiply, I think it will be equal to 2025 upon 64. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you show the question, please?
Mohammed Ali, are you saying something?
Like, can you show me the question?
This is the question. I think you were studying in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why. Okay, note this question. Note this question first. And Loki and Suleiman, do revise this question again.
Okay, sir.
Yes, because this is important question, which can be come in your exam.
The second one, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how did you write 32 as 0 into 4?
What are you saying?
No, sir, I got it. I thought that 8 was 0.
Yes. Note it down fast. I have to start a new chapter, polynomial. Note down first. Done, Mohammed Ali?
Almost, sir. Done.
So we're starting the new chapter, polynomials. Okay. So what are polynomials? Polynomials are the algebraic expressions having variables and constants with fundamental signs of operations. Okay. So I'm talking about the variables and constant. So first we know that what are variables and what are constants. Variables are the quantities having a fixed value. Sorry, we do not have a fixed value. Okay, we do not have any fixed value. For example, variables are the quantities. For example, the all the alphabets A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are all called variables. Okay, they do not have any fixed value. Fixed value. Okay, these values can be varied according to situation. Something x is equal to something, x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, negative values. You can find rational numbers. Okay, so these are called variables. And constants, all the real numbers. Because we are studying only real numbers, all the real numbers are constants here. Okay, for example, all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, negative numbers. Okay, 0 is also a constant. Okay, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay, these all are constants, and these values have fixed value. These values cannot be changed. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And polynomials are the mixture of variables and components. For example, I'm writing 2x plus 3. So this is the polynomial. You can see here variables and constants. Okay. Variables are x, constants are 2 and 3. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
see the
sir.
fundamental signs of operations. Multiply is between 2 and an x, and this is plus here. Okay. So this is an example of a polynomial. But there is a condition necessary for being a polynomial. What is the condition? The condition is that the power of the variable must be a whole number or a positive number. Okay. The power of the variable must be a whole number or a positive integer. For example, if I'm writing 3 by x plus 2, so can you say that it is a polynomial? Mohammad Ali, tell me.
Yes, sir.
It is a polynomial or not?
It's not a polynomial.
Yeah.
It's not a polynomial
Why?
because here the power of x is -1, which is not a whole number.
Yes. X in the denominator, Suleiman here. Okay. But if we take this x into the
Yes.
numerator, so the sign of the power will not change. Here the power is 1. But if we take into the numerator, the sign of the power will be changed. So it will become 3x to the power minus 1 plus 2. Okay. Here you can see the power of the variable is not a whole number. Okay. So this is not considered to being a polynomial. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 plus root x. Tell me, Loki, it is a polynomial?
Yes.
No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because what is the power of x here? What do you mean by root x? The power of x here is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay? It is not a whole number. So that's why this is not a polynomial. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Loki, this is a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is a polynomial because the square root is on the constant, not on the variable. Okay?
Yes.
This is a polynomial. Note it down. Yes, you have done. You have done, Mohammed Ali.
I think so.
Okay, you have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are the polynomials I'm writing here. It is the polynomial in one variable. Okay. This is the polynomial I have written here. It is the polynomial in one variable. Okay. Now talking about the
Sir,
yes, tell me.
sir, I didn't wrote the definition of constant.
Write it.
Okay, sir.
Tell me when you are done.
Sir, done.
Okay. What are the terms of polynomial? Here. If I'm writing only 2x, how many terms are considered?
1.
Yes, this is the one term. Okay. Terms can be changed by a plus and minus sign. If I'm adding 2x plus 3, now the terms becomes 2. Okay, Muhammad Ali?
Yes, sir.
If I'm adding 4x plus 5 plus minus 2 by 3, these are also terms 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I'm writing 4x upon 7 plus 2x plus 3, now terms become 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Polynomial having one term is called monomial. If polynomial having two terms called
Binomial.
The
binomial.
binomial.
The polynomial having three terms called trinomial.
Binomial.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what are the coefficients?
The
The
which
numbers
has
multiplied by the
numerical value.
decimals.
The which
No,
have numerical value.
no.
The numbers which are multiplied by the variable.
Yes, the number which are in the multiplication. For example, I'm writing 2x. Here, coefficient of 2 is x because x is the multiplication of 2. Okay, and 2 is the multiplication of x. And coefficient of x is 2. Okay, Suleiman?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I'm writing x only, what is the coefficient of x, Suleiman here?
Sir, 1.
Yes. And what is the coefficient of 1 here? Okay.
1.
No.
0.
X. Because one is in the multiplication. Okay.
Oh, I thought this was a different question.
No, no. What is the coefficient of x here, Muhammad Ali?
What's the? I didn't hear you.
What is the coefficient of x here in minus x?
-1.
Yes, negative. And what is the coefficient of 1 here? Okay.
What's up?
What is the coefficient of 1 here?
Negative x.
Negative x. Okay. Understood? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, if I'm writing, one second, talking about a zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? If any polynomial having the value 0, this is called a zero polynomial. Okay, this can be written as 0 into x, so this is also zero polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Constant polynomial. If any polynomial having only constant, for example 2. Okay, this is a positive polynomial. For example, 2 by 3. But the question has arisen that I have told you about that polynomial having a variable which the power of the variable should be a whole number. So how constant polynomial, how a constant number is a polynomial? Because we can write 2 as 2 is to 1. Okay. And we can write 1 as x to the power 0 because any number having power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So you can see here we have a variable having a power, having whole number as a power. Okay. So that's why this is considered to be a whole polynomial. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, okay?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. these things.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay.
When I'm writing coefficients.
Okay. Do first.
Okay.
Do fast. I'm going 2 minutes. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Degree of the polynomial.
Highest degree.
Highest power, not degree. Okay, highest power is the degree. It is the highest power of the variable. Okay, highest power of the variable is the constant, is the degree of the polynomial. Okay. For example, 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 9. Okay. So what is the degree here? Tell
4.
me, what is the degree here?
4.
Yes, 4 is the highest power. Okay. Understood about the degree?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Put it down and do these questions. I have explained about you this.
Done, sir.
Yes. Tell me about the first question. You have to say which of the following expressions are the polynomials in one variable and which are not. State reason for your answer. Tell me, Suleiman, first is the polynomial in one variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first
First
is
one is the yes,
yes,
sir. First one is
the first one is the polynomial in one variable. Okay, Muhammad Ali. Second one is the polynomial.
Yes, sir. Second one is also a polynomial.
Yes, second one is yes. Lokia, third one is the polynomial.
No, sir,
Yes, why?
because it is not a whole number.
The power of the variable does not have one. Okay. Fourth one, Suleiman. This is a polynomial.
sir. No.
Why?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's polynomial.
No, this is not a polynomial because y is in the denominator. When we take into the numerator, the power will change. Okay, power will get negative. Okay, this is
Okay,
y
sir.
plus 2 upon y. So y is in the denominator. If we take into the numerator, so it power will got -1. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is not a polynomial. Okay, Muhammad Ali, fifth one is a polynomial in one variable.
No, this one is not a
Yes,
polynomial in one
this is a
variable.
polynomial, but this is not polynomial in one variable. Okay, there are three variables
Okay.
here. There are three variables here. Understood?
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Suleiman.
so something I posted in chat.
You.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. I I will talk you later. Okay, about this.
Okay, sir.
Where one thing is left, there are the classification of polynomial according to their degree. The first is linear polynomial. Second is quadratic polynomial. And third one is
Cubic.
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 What are the linear polynomials? The polynomial having degree 1.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Quadratic
Yes, sir.
polynomial having degree 2. And a cubic polynomial having degree 3. Okay. This is
Okay,
long.
sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the coefficients of x square. Write the coefficients of x square.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, okay, what is the coefficient of x squared in first one?
1.
Okay. Mohammed Ali in second one?
-1, sir.
Yeah.
-1.
Suleiman, third one?
Sir, pi divided by 2.
Yes, pi by 2. In fourth one, Suleiman?
Sir, the answer is 0.
Yes. Why?
Sir, because they are asking x power 2, so in fourth one there is no x power 2. So it will be
Yes.
regarded as 0.
The polynomial does not contain the term x square. Okay, that's why the coefficient of x square here is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, do this question.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have done.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Suleiman, what is the binomial of degree 35?
Sir, if you talk in binomial, the answer is 2x power 35 plus 3.
Okay, right. Okay,
Sir, and
monomial,
sir.
Muhammad Ali.
Z raised to 100.
What?
Z raised to 100. Raised to the
X
power
raised
100.
to- Okay. Okay. Nokia, what is the degree of the first one here?
3.
Suleiman, what is the degree in the second one?
2.
So, Muhammad Ali, what is the degree in third one?
Third one is 1.
Yes. Nokia, fourth one?
0.
Yes. Why 0?
Because the variable is not there.
Variable is there. We write 3 as 3 into 1, and we write 1 as x to the power 0. Here you can see the degree 0. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Suleiman, tell me. First one.
First one is quadratic polynomial.
Yes, this is quadratic. Second one, Muhammad Ali.
Cubic.
Yeah.
Cubic.
Your voice is not coming properly. Check your microphone.
Pardon, sir.
Microphone. Check your microphone. Third one, okay.
Quadratic.
Okay. Fourth one, Suleiman.
Sir, linear.
Yes, it will be. Fifth one, Muhammad Ali.
It's a linear, sir.
Yes, because it has only power 1. And sixth one, Lokia.
Quadratic.
Okay. And the seventh one, Suleiman.
Sir, the answer is cubic.
Yes, cube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The new topic we will start in the next class, but we are taking some NCERT example questions.
सो रहा है
Do these questions.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, Lokia. First one is a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, Suleiman.
The second one, sir, no, sir. Second one's not there.
No, this is a polynomial because there is no square root on the variable here. Square root is on the only on the constant. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you see the square root?
Yes, sir.
The square root is only on the root 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Normally, what are you doing?
Sorry, sir, I haven't taken it. How do I undo it? I haven't clicked on something. Sorry, sir.
No problem. Tell me third one about third one, Mohammad Ali.
Third one is not a polynomial.
Yes, it is not a polynomial because square root is on the variable. Fourth one, Lokia, tell me it is a polynomial.
No, sir.
Why? When we take this x square into the numerator, it will be a polynomial.
What, sir?
When x to the power of -2 will take in the numerator, it will become positive.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fifth one, Suleiman.
Sir, it's a polynomial.
No, it's not a polynomial because x in the denominator. When we take in the numerator, it will become x to the power of -1.
Okay, sir.
Sixth one, normally.
Sixth one is a polynomial.
It is not a polynomial. Okay, because x in the denominator, when we take in the numerator, it will become negative. Seventh one, Lokia.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a polynomial. Okay. Because all the variables having the power as a whole number. Seventh one, Suleiman. Eighth one, Suleiman.
Sir, it's not a polynomial.
Yes, because x in the denominator.
Yes.
Okay. Note it down.
Good.